Hi and welcome guys. In this video we will do another example of normal distribution. Assume that mean height of Indian soldiers is 68.22 inches with standard deviation of 3.29 inches. How many soldiers in a regiment of 1000 would you expect to be over 72 inches? In the question we are given that probability that Z varies between 0 to 1.15 is equal to 0.3749. Now in order to do this example, first we will draw normal distribution. So let us consider horizontal axis representing height of soldiers in inches. So x is height of soldiers in inches. So let us draw a bell-shaped curve. This vertical line represents mean value. So mean height of soldiers is 68.22 inches. And we want to find number of soldiers having height greater than 72 inches. So 72 inch is greater than 68, so it will be at right side 72 inches. So first we will find this area. This area represents probability of soldiers having height greater than 72. Now to calculate this, first we will find associated Z values with these X values. Now we have already studied that Z value associated with mean is equal to 0. And let us consider Z value associated with 72 is Z1. Now we will use this equation Z is equal to X minus mu upon sigma to find this Z1. So Z1 is equal to associated X value, it is 72 minus mu is 68.22 and divided by sigma is given in the question, it is 3.29. Now if you evaluate this, you will get 1.15. So Z1 will be 1.15. Now it is given in the question that probability of Z varies between 1.15. Probability that Z is between 0 to 1.15 is 0.3749. So if you want to represent this value in percentage, you have to multiply by 100. So it is 37.49. Now this percentage represents this area between mean value to 72. So this area is 37.49%. Now as we already know that area at right of this vertical line is 50%. Now in order to find this area, we have to subtract this area, that is 37.49 out of 50. So 50 minus 37.49 is equal to, let me use calculator for that, it is 12.51. So this area that is greater than 72 is 12.51%. So what this means is probability that soldiers having height greater than 72 inch is 12.51%. So number of soldiers having height greater than 72 inches is probability, that is probability we should write in values. So we will divide this percentage by 100. So it is 0.1251 times number of soldiers, that are 100. So 125.1. So approximately 125 soldiers would have height greater than 72 inch.